right, so let's jump right in. Let's talk about what's standard and what's not standard.
Okay.
So, and this refers to the IEEE standards for high-speed Ethernet, obviously, which proposes the challenges. So, obviously, we all know that there's a whole laundry list of challenges with performance characteristics, with link distance and loss budget and distances. We're not going to talk about that today. Okay. We're going to talk about simply fiber path. So again, these standards have been around for a while. The 802.3 B standard, and again, there was a BA, BM, BS. I won't bore you with the acronyms and things of this sort, but you know, it started about 8 years ago. It's been updated a couple times since. But long story short, it's a standard for 40 and 100 gigabit, and also talking about 200 and 400 gigabit transmitted on an MPO style interconnect. The individual fibers or lanes will transmit anywhere from 10 gigabit to 25 gigabits per channel, all the way up to and including going up to the next range of 50 gigabit, and then finally 100 gigabit per channel, multiple lanes of traffic. Okay, we have on the single mode side, so kind of the same principle, but then going over to the duplex LC. Single mode can transmit those high speeds on just a duplex style connectivity as well. Right. Also in the marketplace, those of you that are familiar with Cisco or have used Cisco, they have a BiDi technology which transmits 40 gigabit on a duplex style LC interconnect. That was proprietary technology. They have released it to the marketplace, and now it's available to everybody. However, it's not a standard. There was talk that it was going to also offer 100 gig BiDi, but rumor has it that that's not going to happen. Right? But you also have the existence now. Obviously, we mentioned OM5 earlier with shortwave division multiplexing. That's going to take advantage of some higher window wavelengths on multi-mode cable, similar to some of the single mode technology that we're familiar with. And it's going to basically transmit multiple wavelengths of signal over a single fiber. Okay. All right? However, the challenge there is that obviously there's no electronics on the marketplace. We don't know when they're coming. The highway, so to speak, has been spec'd, okay, but the electronics side of the marketplace is not there yet. And who knows when those electronics come out, a year from now, 6 months from now, 2 years from now, there might be different technology again in the marketplace. So these are all, again, critical things that we have to, take advantage of. But the long and the short of it is, okay, and this is, I guess, why we're having this conversation today, is that for our perspective in the industry, and we see it today, there's going to be a mix of technologies that are going to be running the data center. We see it on an everyday basis now. Obviously, 3-layer type design for structured cabling is still there. However, spine and leaf has really taken off. And they use 100 gig uplinks. They need to split the signals out, for say 425 gigs or 410. 410s, that's one good thing about the technology. And that inherently is where the challenge is at stake, because again, you can transmit high speed on duplex LC. You may require parallel optics using the MPO. So your infrastructure has to be flexible and easy to migrate cost effectively. And if you're trying to follow the standards, which is always a good idea, quite frankly, there's no cost effective, easy way to do it. You basically choose one method, and you're going to have trouble converting when you switch transmission methods. Simple as that. And that's inherently what Cable Express has been working on for some time now, and we come up with a solution on how to address that.